Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing three top performing cryptocurrencies, which are 𝗵, NEO and Litecoin. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis and price predictions for free. Also like our videos and leave a comment. Let's start our analysis with 𝗵 on a 2D basis, which means every candle is a 2D one. As you can see here, 𝗵 has broken above the very first key level around 0.08 US dollar. From here, we've experienced a parabolic movement. I've been stating over the last few days that 𝗵 was almost there to start with a very strong bull run-up, which actually happened. Now, in terms of price targets, we can switch to the weekly chart in order to have a better vision of where 𝗵 might move over the next weeks. As you can see here, first of all, we have experienced the point of control, which means a huge increase in terms of volumes, which is something similar at what happened around November, December 2017, when actually 𝗵 experienced a strong bull run up from 0.30 US dollar till the all-time high around $2.010 US dollar. Actually, it is happening again right now, and in my previous YouTube videos I've been stating that the very first target was around 0.20 US dollar, and actually we are right now at 0.13 US dollar, so we still have room for a strong run up. So very first target around 0.20 US dollar and second target around 0.32, but the real target over the next weeks until at least March, April 2021 will be at this level around 0.50 US dollar, between 0.40 and 0.50 US dollar, which means a 400% of increase over the next weeks. Let's now move to NEO and let's see if we have some similarities to what I've studied, to what I've analyzed with 𝗵. Here we have the weekly chart for NEO, and as you can see here, we are now facing a very strong and important key level, which is actually a horizontal resistance around 20 US dollar. And actually from here, if we will be successful in overcoming this threshold, we can definitely project NEO hitting the next threshold around between 60 and 80 US dollar, with possibly a run up till 100 US dollar, since 100 US dollar is a round number. Right now, in terms of technical analysis, NEO is enveloped inside the horizontal rectangle, which can be created by linking all these 2 points of lows around 𝗃5.70 US dollar and the horizontal resistance around 20 US dollar. Now, in terms of price projection, we should be adding at 20 US dollar a difference between 20 US dollar and the base of the rectangle around 5 or 6 US dollar, which means 14 US dollar. So 20 plus 14, it means 34 US dollar. But actually, we can definitely project this area 40 US dollar as next target over the next weeks. So if we compare 𝗵 and NEO, while 𝗵 is now going to face really soon the very first resistance, this level, the horizontal resistance, which actually I told you around 0.20, NEO has a much larger amplitude in terms of movement. So in other words, it has more room than 𝗵 over the next weeks. So this is the very first and very important threshold. If NEO will be able to overcome with a long white candle and with increase in terms of volumes this area, then we can certainly project NEO going to hit this area between 60 and 100 US dollar. So right now NEO has a better chart in terms of projection if compared with 𝗵, even if we should be saying that 𝗵 is now experiencing a more interesting run-up if compared with NEO. Again, NEO, if is going to overcome this area, has a very big chance to hit the next target around 60 US dollar. In any case, both of them, under a mere technical point of view, are really interesting. Okay, so we really have a chance to see this bull run up going on stronger over the next weeks. Let's now analyze Litecoin. Litecoin, if compared with NEM and NEO, is the weaker chart under a mere technical point of view. In other words, the relative strength of Litecoin is weaker if compared with NEM and NEO. Right now, I can say that NEM is the strongest one out of the three. NEO is the second one, and Litecoin is the weakest one. Again, NEO has more room for increase over the next weeks. For Litecoin, we can say that we are still lacking in terms of volumes. As you can see here, if we compare the past volumes here, this area of volumes, and now we see here, as you can see here, we still have a few volumes to support a possible ascendant movement. Now, we are inside the descending triangle, which can be created by linking all these points of high in terms of oblique resistance and these two lows in terms of horizontal support. Now let's understand where Litecoin might move over the next weeks. Right now is worth $62, but again it's lacking in terms of volumes, so the very first next target will be $80. Only overcoming, only above this threshold, this area 80 and between 80 and $100, we can really think that Litecoin will have strong chances to still going up. Right now, as you can see here, is moving horizontally around $50-60. So under a mere technical point of view, this chart is not telling us enough. Again, what we can retrieve in terms of cyclical analysis, that we have detected a strong bullish divergence. As you can see here, the MACD is now detecting higher lows, first low, second low, and third low, and fourth low. All of them actually are higher if compared with the previous one, while here we have detected two equal lows. So guys, all three are really interesting. I would say that NEM right now seems to be the most interesting one. NEO at the second place. Litecoin is still lacking in terms of volumes. And you know, the very first area will be $80, so we might see a movement till $80, but then we will need volumes to come in place in order to have the chance for the movement to really becoming stronger and stronger over the next weeks. Thank you guys.